I hope we uploaded part 2 correctly. Oh my god, they're not them ring crisps things. Let it put them there, man. Hi! Who knew this could turn out to be fucking funny as shit? Sorry for swearing.
What does this go?
Get in!
Get over here! No, not naked.
No!
Welcome to there.
I've already done that. You'll see in a minute. Put it in! Mamma mia! Mamma mia! Don't lick the screen.
Why?
Because it's dirty.
It's awesome.
It's like penis. No, I've never tasted penis before. I think I tasted, this might sound sick, but I think I actually tasted chicken penis when I was eating some popcorn chicken. Yes, I just said that. Ah, bloody, I forgot some parts. Get out of my mouth. It still tastes like Joshua.
Look what I done. Look what I done, Reese.
What? You evil man. You evil man. How dare you do that to a dog? That's just cruel. That's cruel, you know. You can get arrested for that.
The funny guy that.
So there's a lesson for you kids out there. Never, ever ride a dog.
Oh, why?
You get arrested.
Bar please, dog.
No, get arrested by that dude. Ow, not him, him. Ah! Mamma mia, Joshua's diarrhea. You have diarrhea.
Hi.
Oh, fuck off.
Hi.
Can you please stop it right now? Because, Joshua, it's seriously starting to get annoying, honest.
You're starting to know me by talking.
Yeah, well, Josh, I'm trying to do a review. So, could you just please be quiet for like 2 seconds? This is not even like a building video.
Let's come there.
Oh, you. This is not like a bloody building thing. It's more of a comedy act. Seriously, I know a few people would agree with me because it's
true. Let's come there.
Oh, just shut the fire, damn! Not that shit. No, honest, Josh. Oh, you're starting to really do my head in. Josh, if you won't be quiet, I'll fucking... you're really doing my head in. Just... Oh, God.
Hi, please, man.
No, Joshua, can you just be quiet for a moment? Some of you would agree with me, at least. We're trying to do a review here. A build. Fuck's sake. Some people are sick of this shit.
I'm not.
Because you're the one who's doing this annoying shit thing.
I know. And I'm messing with a police dog.
Where the No, what? Where the fuck's the policeman? Get him in jail. Fucking riding a doggy in there. What's he gonna be doing next? Harassing whores. Josh, you're starting to get... Bloody hell! Fuck fucking fling the door, fucking fling the points. I don't give a shit anymore. I'm gonna go to prison. No! Why? Because I killed a dog and a man. Do you know it's not even on the sky? Bloody hell! Alright, Joshua, could you just please stop? Honestly. Are you fucking having sex with a ghost? Bloody hell.